guys, so today I'm doing another video for you guys, and this is Instagram controls my life for a day during Ramadan. So it's right now Ramadan, and you're gonna see this video after Ramadan. So yeah, I'm like pre-filming my videos because I'm gonna be in India by the time you see this. I like filmed an intro, but it looked really bad. It was at the time that I was doing the poll, so I didn't like how the lighting was and everything, so I'm doing it now. Basically, I did a poll on what I should eat for sahur or sehri, bagels or cereal, and yeah, so let's see what they said. Well, I already know what they said, but let's see what they said and now. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to subscribe down below if you're not already. Be a part of the hashtag Sarah Squad. Hope you guys like this video. And let's see what my day consists of. Okay, so it's right now 4 in the morning. Is that even in focus? I don't know. Okay, so if we look, 71% voted for bagels. Wow. Oh my god. 71% voted for bagels, while 29% voted for cereal, so bagels is the win. So it is 4 o'clock and I am going and I'm warming up my bagels, and I'm gonna eat my bagels. I might eat something else because, like, you know, I cannot just eat bagels like for all day and then just fast for 16 hours. My bagels, bagel. Focus at all.
Is that duct tape?
Yeah, because it's tripod freaking.
You put a sock in there.
I'm literally ordering a new tripod just like today. Anyways, I'm putting some cream cheese on the bagels. My bagels. I haven't had milk in so long. I'm so freaking good. Bagels so much.
Just take it off the tripod.
Anyways, I'm throwing my tripod away. It pisses me off now. So you know how I said Chipotle is doing drive-thrus? Like this video if you like strawberry milk, because I love strawberry milk.
No.
Oh my god, literally yesterday at like iftar, you know how Shivani has that cookie? I took a bite of the cookie and then I had chicken with it, and I almost threw up. I was like, why in the world did I just do that? Like, chicken and cookies don't go together. Okay, anyways, I'm gonna go to take a nap. I'm gonna go to sleep and I'll just wake up in the morning. And yeah. Hey guys, so I just woke up. It's like 2 o'clock basically, and I just woke up, so it's kind of bad. I'm going to do my next poll. I just like brushed my teeth. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna go next poll and then write lamb or was it natural? So here's my little selfie that I had when I was taking my pictures outside. Yeah, okay, that's my little thing. And let's put it onto the story. I don't know if I should, what do you call it? Like, say what products to use. But no, I'm not gonna do that. It's too much. I'll just do what I want. I really hope they say natural though, because I don't want to do glam. Like, what? I guess we'll see. Instagram's controlling my life today. Okay guys, so I'm going to now be doing my makeup and seeing. It's been like I think 5 minutes, I don't even really know, but 60% said natural and 40% said glam. So natural it is. I thought it was gonna be glam at first, but thank god it's not. So let's just do my makeup and I'll just do like a time lapse, so yeah.
It's hard to take it back. What is on my mind? Need to get right. Need to see some light coming. Can I just turn back the clock and forget my sins? I just wanna roll my sleeves up and start.
The camera just stopped working because the card was full. Great. I'm gonna make a poll on what I should wear, either comfy or cute. And I'm not gonna show them like, you know, outfits. I'm not gonna show you all the outfits because like I don't want to. Not necked. next poll. What should I wear? Comfy or what was it? Cute. Okay, now we're gonna post it. I'm gonna wait for like 10 minutes now and see what happens. And yeah, bippity bop. Okay, so I just checked the thing, and of course, cute wins. So you know, the dress counts. But I really don't want to. I just want to dress comfy. So it was 29% comfy and 71% cute. So that's like, you know, big deal. But I have no idea what I'm gonna wear. I don't want to wear anything cute. I just want to wear my sweats and like leggings and a t-shirt. Wait, can that be cute? No, that really can't. I don't know. I feel like it'll look cute. If not, I'll wear my other mom jeans. So, yeah. Okay, ignore the background, but I'm wearing this Levi's shirt with like some mom jeans. I'm gonna like tie it up in the front, so it'll be cute but comfy, you know? Yeah. Okay, anyways, yeah, that's what it is. I'm gonna do the second poll on what I should do. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm doing a poll either if I should bleach a shirt or if I should tie-dye a shirt. I really hope bleach wins because I really want to bleach a shirt. I have another shirt like that I want to bleach. So, let's see. So let's see what they want me to do. Yeah. So it's been some time now, and the winning result is tie-dye. I really wanted to make bleach shirts, but it's cool. It's cool. Anyways, yeah, it's 52% tie-dye and 48% bleach. It's like really close, like literally 1%. I don't know. Anyways, yeah, so let's go make some tie-dye shirts, I guess. Okay, so now it's like sunset time, almost iftar. We're going to the masjid for iftar, so I was gonna do like a poll on like what I should eat, but I don't know if I can do that. I'll see, maybe, I don't know, do another poll where, what's it called? You guys choose which abaya, or like, if you guys want to wear abaya, it's like this long, like, thing you wear if you want to at the masjid. I really don't know how to explain it at all. Just take a picture of it and see how it goes. So, let's okay, here's my poll. I just wrote, I don't know if you can see this or not. Is this actually, can you see it? I don't know. Basically, I said, what abaya should I wear? 1 or 2. And let's post it. Anyways, this one, number 1. So I'm wearing now. I'm going to iftar. I'm really late. Okay, bye. Hey guys, so it's like 2 o'clock actually here. And I'm going to make my last poll. So I'm going to ask what I should watch. And I know this is supposed to be like a Ramadan one. It kind of like involved Ramadan with like sahur and like my abaya, but like that's pretty much it. So yeah, not really much to do. Oh, I'm packing. Should I just do something with that too? Actually, you know what? No, it's 2 in the morning. I'm done with this. So this is my last poll, and then I'm finally done with this video. What are some movies or shows? Oh, this is a new show called Cloak. How the frick do you spell that actually? Cloak Dagger, or should we do, so I'm gonna wait 10 minutes, see what happens, and then I'll watch what I watch. So it's been like 10 minutes, I guess, and not Cloak and Dagger, the originals. So I did the originals and Cloak and Dagger, and oh my freaking god, the originals won by 75% and Cloak and Dagger won by 25%. So yeah, I'm just gonna watch the originals, and that's pretty much for this video, I guess. So I hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you're not already, and be a part of the Sarah squad. You know, it's pretty lit over here. I have new videos coming out every week on Saturday. So yeah, and liked my Ramadan videos I've been doing. This is my last Ramadan video I'm doing for the summer, but there might be more next summer, I guess. If you like the vlogs I did, give it a big thumbs up. And if you like this video, I did. If you guys want me to like incorporate more of my like religion and like my culture and everything in my videos, which I'm really trying or planning on doing because I want to do more of that, let me know. Oh, and by the way, this video was all about Instagram, so why not, you know, follow my Instagram. It's really cool. I have cool pictures, and since I'm traveling, I'll have even more cool pictures, so follow my Instagram. Yeah.
To love